Ilocos Norte.
Go!
Welcome to Ilocos Norte! Dito sa Kapurawan. Kapurawan. Ayan.
Mahirap.
Diba? Grabe. Parang Palawan sa Waray. Parawan. Ayan. So dito maraming wind turbine. O, tingnan nyo. Dami dun. Dami Astig. Natural energy.
Kaya sobrang hangin dito kasi malalaki yung electric fan nila.
Corny mo. Pili ka. Pili ka, bebe. Ayan, so kasama namin si Chance Robertson sa aming adventure ngayon dito sa Ilocos Norte.
Wala pa po siyang girlfriend.
Ayan. We're trying to learn to speak Ilocano. Sa mga kabsat namin Ilocano dyan, comment below kung Ilocano po kayo. Ayan.
Turuan nyo kami mag-Ilocano, di ba?
Tarupam.
Tarupam. Tarupam.
Yaman kami sa panonood ng videos namin.
Agyaman iti adobo.
Nung manang mangantayo.
We just got back from Siargao last week.
Yes.
So we went all the way from the south, clear up to the very tip of the Philippines. Not all the way yet, because there's island syempre.
Yes.
Sa main island, di ba?
Oh, di ba? Tama.
Ang init-init.
Sige, tara na. Uwi na tayo, Shanta. So today we are here up north in Ilocos Norte, in Ilocos Sur, shooting a Bisaya tutorial series where they don't speak Bisaya.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you how wonderful you are. And I really, really wanna take you home to mama. Wanna spend forever in the day with you. I really, really wanna walk you down the aisle, put a ring on you. What you say I do? 'Cause you're a dream come true. You are elegance and freedom, everything to me. I wanna spend my lifetime loving you. I'll be closer than the shadows, closer than you know. Can you let me love you?
Last week we came all the way from the south in Siargao. Now we're all the way up north here in La Union. Yeah! Chance has got some sick footage on this airplane here.
Abangan nyo yung mga pictures ko dito, tsaka yung vlog.
Yeah. Wonder where this airplane came from. Tanongin natin. Kaso hindi ako marunong mag-Ilocano. Kapsat! Marunong naman kayo mag-Tagalog, no? Ayan. Saan galing yung airplane na to?
Sa domestic sa Maynila.
Talaga? Oh, nabagsak dito?
Dinala dito.
Ah, dinala. By chance, they're making this plane and the one behind it into restaurants, dude.
Hey!
Yeah, man.
That's sick!
They got brought over here from the domestic airport in Manila.
Sick.
Shanda, bibili ka ng perlas?
Siyempre.
So I might as well tell you what we're filming, okay? I've had a lot of questions about how I learned to speak the language, especially Bisaya, alright? A lot of people seem to want to learn Bisaya, whether it's because they're married to a Bisayan Filipino or something. So today we are here up north in Ilocos Norte, in Ilocos Sur, shooting a Bisaya tutorial series where they don't speak Bisaya.
Pero maganda pa rin dito, di ba?
Yes, sobrang ganda dito kasi we haven't really been up north before, so it doesn't matter where we shoot it as long as you learn Bisaya. So I'm teaching you all my secrets, the secrets to learning this beautiful language, so by the end of the course you'll be fluent in Bisaya. Just like Chance is fluent in Tagalog.
Uy.
Diba?
Minsan lang.
Minsan
Depende
lang.
sa araw.
Baka bukas balik na sa English. The guy shooting this is the owner of a professional film company, so he shot our wedding as well. Lang level up na siya ngayon eh. As in sobrang ganda ng footage niya. Tingnan mo.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you how wonderful you are. And I really, really wanna take you home to mama. Wanna spend forever in the day with you. I really, really wanna walk you down the aisle, put a ring on you, what you say I do.
We have a professional film crew following us around the Philippines shooting this Bisaya tutorial. It's gonna be epic, alright? We're gonna make this legit. Ano Santa? Bibili ka hindi?
Bumili.
Bibili ka? Magkano yun?
Lima mo.
Saan?
3,000.
2,000?
5,000. Joke.
Dito sa Pilipinas, maraming klaseng silog. May tapsilog, may tosilog, may longsilog. Pero dito sa Ilocos Norte, meron silang titi-itlog. Titi-itlog. Magandang umaga, Shanta. Para mo sabihin ang magandang umaga sa anong lingwahe dito? Ilocano. Naimbag
na
asarta.
Oh,
That's
naimbag
magandang
na
gabi.
adlaw. Naimbag na adlaw.
Naimbag na adlaw is na magandang araw. Hindi ko alam eh. Matuto tayo mag Ilocano, bebe.
Where's he going?
It's so maganda dito, grabe. Oh, you can see the windmills on the horizon. It's amazing. Look at that. Continuing to shoot our video series, our Bisaya tutorial series, coming very soon. How epic does this place look, man?
It's gnarly.
Freaking awesome, eh? Look at that.
I would say we have water very north of the Philippines,
Yes,
bro.
exactly, bro.
Habang tulog pa sila, wala pa masyado nagpapapicture kay Dwaine.
Ayan. Char. Wow, look how blue the water is, Shanta. It's so pretty. Ang ganda. Bagay sa'yo. Pretty.
Oh, tingnan mo, ang clear ng tubig nila.
This Bisaya tutorial series we're shooting is going to be the best online Bisaya course you'll find anywhere on the internet. I promise you that. It will make you an expert in Bisaya, and at the same time we show you some of the beautiful parts of the Philippines. Shanta, Marimar. It's Marimar, galing sa dagat. May Dwanta fam dito sa Ilocos Norte. Andun. Kaway ka naman dyan. Waray daw siya. Bakit nandito ka sa Ilocos Norte?
Kapangasawa pa akong taga rito.
Ah, talaga? So marunong ka mag-Ilocano?
Hindi pa po.
Hindi?
Marunong na rin po siya mag-waray, di ba?
Marunong siya mag-Tagalog. Oo. Pero waray, dili pa.
Hindi pa.
Galing.
Ito din yung maganda.
Magkano ito, boss?
2,500 sir.
2,500. Ah, okay, 2,500. Walang tawad dyan.
Meron pa siya.
Watch us,
Ano? 2,000 na lang.
Okay sir.
Okay na yan?
Bilhin mo
Binang
na
mano.
Ayan. Astig, 2,000 lang yan.
Kano to kuya? 500 to? 500 yan sir. Wala kasi ang pera eh. Akin na lang to. Pag wala kang pocket money, ano kano po to kuya? 700. 700, you can travel here just for 700. Talaga 700, you can go anywhere, even sa bank. Libreng libreng accommodation, may libre ng boat.
Kakalaki.
Talo ka. Umaaura.
Welcome to my channel.
Umaura.
Lighting.
May kasama ng lighting.
Dito kami sa Pagod kami. Grabe.
Alam niyo na kung bakit ako
Aga
tumigil
kami.
agad.
Diba?
Aga kami.
Section 2, Lecture 1, Take 1. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Section 2. Alright, in this section, we're going to be starting to speak Bisaya. We've learned a bit about pronunciation, Now we're gonna start practicing to say some greetings.
Ako ang camera woman behind the scenes. BTS, sa BTS. Korea!
Diba?
Photo ba? Video bomber.
Video bomber.
Video bomber. Sayaw ka na. Tagasan ka? Tagasan ka?
Taga dito.
No.
Alright, let's get the shooting.
Say I do. 'Cause you're a dream come true. You are really give some freedom, everything to me. Wanna spend my lifetime loving you. I'll be closer than your shadow, closer than you know. If you let me love you. Love you.
Nandito na kami ngayon sa Bungie Windmills. Yo! Para sa isa pang eksena. This is our trip up north, adventure up north, shooting a Bisaya tutorial series in an Ilocano speaking area. Yoo-hoo!
Look at this.
Maganda yung
There are skimming rocks everywhere here. Skimming rocks are all along the shore. Check this out. This is amazing. Look. Oh, yes. Skimming rocks. This is amazing.
Pusong
Shanta,
bato.
you found a pusong bato.
Pusong bato.
Di mo lang dahil sa'yo,
I knew
ako'y
it.
di makakain.
Kain, di rin makatulog buhat ng iyong lokohin.
Some freedom, everything to me. Wanna spend my life.